Welcome to Tiger Technology. VPNs use virtual connections to create a private network. During the usage of a public Wi-Fi, VPN helps to keep your data safe from hackers and malware and protect data from unauthorized access. Need to secure your online activity while using Chrome? Install the VPN Ultimate extension for Chrome on your browser to stay private online. Add the free VPN extension to your Chrome browser. Click on the free VPN icon in the top right corner, click Quick Connect, and you're done. Why do you need free VPN proxy extension for Chrome, without any registration? Free VPN. No credit card information needed. No trials offered. Unblock the world with just one touch of the country buttons. Secure VPN. Strong SSL encryption will make you fully anonymous and secured. VPN for Chrome is the fastest and easy, and using proxy service starts working by one click in your browser. The friendly design allows you to change the current IP address by choosing another country from the list right in the extension to unlock websites that are prohibited in your location. Thanks for watching.
Hey, look at that comment!